There's no arguing that making money online can definitely be a thing. I know how to do it. But when it comes to what platform are you going to use to be able to collect your leads, well, I suggest that you activate a free trial, and you can actually use activateafreetrial.com to get started with HighLevel. But before I jump into how much money can you make online, there's one thing that I see when I watch some of the content out there about HighLevel is the part about how to get started with HighLevel, like literally like how to log into your account and to navigate around to be able to know how to use your account efficiently. So when you do activate a trial with me, Ann Marie Walts at Think Your Way to a Million, you can also get a guided experience, because whether it's how to make money, you have to know where to start. And if it's how to be able to use your HighLevel account, well, guess what? You still have to know how to get started. So I take a very detailed approach, like a guided tour guide, so to speak. Or imagine if you have flown in your life, you have a tight connection, you land and you don't have much time for a layover, you've got to get to your next gate. And it's really helpful when you're able to know where you have to go. So that's the type of approach that I provide. I welcome you into my community, and there's also a 5-day boot camp. And when you sign up with me, I'll also jump on Zoom with you for an onboarding call with myself. It's valued at $2,500. You also will get all of the support from HighLevel that's 24/7, and you'll be set up properly.